Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use eye contact feature in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on CapCut. So I'm going to click on this new project, and then I'm going to select video from the CapCut library because I don't have any footage to be edited. I'm going to go to the CapCut library and for example, I'm going to choose this video. You can apply this eye contact feature to photo or a video. It's up to you. And here I'm using a video, and as you can see that this girl in the video is not staring at the camera, or it's not looking at the camera, and I'm going to make this girl looking at the camera directly with the eye contact feature in CapCut. To get the feature, you can click on your video like this. You can click on your photo or your video, and we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the eye contact feature. This one, as you can see, we can use it for free. And then I'm going to click on the circle button to activate the eye contact feature. Okay, and now the eye contact feature has been activated, and as you can see guys, that now this girl is looking at the camera, and I'm going to show you the before and after. Wait, I'm going to undo the editing. So this is the original video, and this is the video after I apply eye contact feature. Okay, this feature is really helpful, especially when you read script without looking at the camera. So this feature allows you to read your script without looking at your camera. So you don't need to be worried about your eye contact in your video with this eye contact feature. You can apply it to your photo as well. Wait, I'm going to add my photo to show you. Okay, I'm going to use this photo guys. As you can see that this man is not looking at the camera, and I'm going to make him looking at the camera. I'm going to select eye contact and I'm going to activate it. Okay, this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use eye contact feature in CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.